Hello everybody, today we have a little Hotend assembly I created. Also, I don't know if you'll notice, but the camera is a bit shaky and the microphone may sound a bit different. That's because I'm just using an iPad to film right now because I can't be bothered to get my camera out and set it up in this position right now. So yeah, what I have here is a little Hotend assembly. We have a knock-door fan with a fan grill. I just salvaged from an old fan. So that's there. And we've got, as you can see, the E3D V6, the silicon sock, and the proper machined Hotend. If we flip it over, we have two holes for bearings and a little belt sort of idler thing so we can pull the carriage along. Some two screws to fix the Hotend clamp in place, as you can see there. That's the Hotend clamp. Mine cracked a bit, I don't know if you can see. That was because I did try to use the vise to push it together because my screws were a bit out of alignment. But apart from that, it worked really, really well. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this really quick video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.